thomo hari mwana uyu wa Kairitu ndumwe na gutigirira ati arimu na atumia aria marutaga wira rugongo rwa bururi ni makorwo magithaitirwo na njireria yagirire Makiaria mari cukuru-ini wa sekondari wa Garissa hindi ya uhinguri wa wabici wa kiama kia arimu kana arimu atumia na kiria kiwikaine ta kewota. Murugamiriri wa kiama giki no ri wikaine ta Dunstan ne kana Dunstan saboke ugite ati mathomo hari mwana wa Kairitu ni makoretwo magitigwo na thutha kumanagia na unduire muhituku na makiria icigo-ini ta icio.
We are here today to launch the kewota in Garissa, and our main aim is to sensitize female teachers to join kewota because it comes with so many products which will help the teachers in their working.
We take care of the girl empowerment programs. For example, we have realized that several girls have been affected by aria marriages due to poverty and other things. So as kewota, we have come here to assure the people of Northeastern, especially this Garissa County, that we are on the ground. We have conducted free and fair elections. We are going to create an office in Garissa that will be able to tackle any challenges that the female teachers are undergoing.
We must come, show the teachers that we stand with them in every circumstances, be it the gender-based education, the way Makiaria has said, how they can invest on their retirement so that those people going home should have a fallback position.
Product is that we are going to sensitize women on gender-based violence, whereby we are coming to talk to them to know their rights as women and rights of a girl child. Also, we are going to empower them financially by empowering them economically, whereby we are starting merry-go-rounds, and then the kewota will come in by bringing in money to support women.
As kewota, we have decided that we camp in Garissa so that we can be able to assist wherever there is what we call gender-based violence in our society.
We are delighted to host a team from Kewota, Kenya Women Teachers Association. Very grateful to the organizers, and we are very happy that they have chosen our school to host their first inaugural meeting in Garissa County and this region as a whole.
Ni riboti njega hau tuhaririirio ni mundu ugwitwo Mwangi wa Murugi. Haya, thikiriria riboti ya kuona ati watheti kwiremwo ni rugano